Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the DreamHouseCanvas. Today we will make a beautiful vase with this white cement plastic bottle and some cardboard sheet. So without further delay, let's get started. First we will cut out the sheet of bottle size. First I fix the bottle with the help of glue gun on the cardboard box, and then I'll glue the cardboard sheet around the bottle with the help of glue gun. Make sure to seal the every edge with the help of glue. Now take the white cement and make a thick paste of water and white cement. Make sure to make the paste really thick so that it can dry easily. Now pour the solution in between cardboard sheet and the bottle. Make sure not to cover the bottle mouth so that we have an opening for water or anything else. Fill the gap completely and dab the cardboard so that it don't have any air lump. Now let it dry for 24 hours. When it get dry, it will look like this. Now remove all the excess glue and cardboard. We get the shape, but it looks a bit dirty, so I am cleaning it with the help of warm water and brush. Now we have a beautiful textured vase. You can keep it as a white vase or you can color it with your favorite color. I am keeping it as a white vase. You can use it for water propagation, for some water plants or some fresh flowers. It look really beautiful and stunning. It took only 3 to 4 things to make it, and it looked really beautiful and textured modern style vase. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it with all my heart. Let me know your opinion in comment section, and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.